Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We started by writing an algorithm to move tokens from left-hand side to right-hand side, and then we created some test, the smaller than test, and we determined that we didn't properly handling zeros, either existing zeros or zeros that have to be added. So today we'll create another test. So I will add a zero to the left hand side and see how it is handled. But I will add it not as a zero, but as a formula. So I will say x minus x, it's equal to 0. So I will just say x minus x, this is a 0, plus b plus f times x. So it should still be, so this content here, it's a 0. So we still have the same formula. I will save this JSON file as a new test. I will say analysis 006.json. I will save it, and then let's execute the program with that test. Analysis 006. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have step 0, there are 2 additional tokens, but it had been handled properly, so the parse formula seems to be working right. Then it moved B here. The tokens are in a slightly different order. Well, this x does not have a sign, so it should have been f times x plus x minus x. This is our 0. It should have been a plus here. That's because when we extracted the first token, it didn't have a sign. And then we added it at the end, but at the end it should link with the previous token, so it should have a sign. So what I will do, when we are appending the token here, I will check if the token already starts with the plus or minus sign. If that's true, I will do the append, otherwise I will insert an additional plus at the beginning of that token. So let's just do it. I will say if token starts with plus or token starts with minus. Okay, so we have a sign. I will put colon here. I am appending the token. Now, in the case that the sign is not at the beginning of the token, I have an else, and I will say LHS tokens append, and I will create a new string. I will concatenate to string plus the token string. Okay, so hopefully I will have a plus here after the execution of this code. So let's save it and test it again. Okay, so that did it. So I have x minus x plus b plus f times x larger than t. Then I have plus f times x plus x minus x. So this is our 0 larger than t minus b. So we passed that test. Let's make sure that the fifth and the original test are still passing. This is passing, and this one is passing as well. So we did an additional adjustment to our algorithm, and now in the next lesson we will move forward to processing the right hand side as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.